Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AI tools to save 10 plus hours per week. Quick guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying the tasks you spend the most time on each week. List these tasks to determine which ones can be automated or optimized. Research AI tools tailored to your specific needs. For content creation, consider tools like ChatGPT or Jasper. For social media management, explore platforms like Buffer or Hootsuite. For data analysis, look into tools like Tableau or Google Data Studio. Once you've selected a tool, set aside time to familiarize yourself with its features. Follow online tutorials or user guides to maximize your understanding. Implement the tool with a small task first to test its effectiveness. Monitor the results and gradually integrate the tool into your regular workflow. Track the time saved to quantify the benefits of using AI. Be patient as you transition to a more automated process. Regularly revisit your task list and automate additional tasks as you become comfortable. Stay updated on new AI tools and features to continuously enhance efficiency. Engage with online communities and forums to share experiences and tips. By systematically leveraging AI tools, you can reclaim valuable hours and boost your. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.